So if you're using LD Player on a gaming laptop and still getting low FPS, even with decent hardware, yeah, that's frustrating. Laptops have a few extra limits that desktops don't. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix low FPS on LD Player, specifically for gaming laptops in 2026. Let's get started. First, make sure your laptop is plugged in. Running on battery mode can cut performance in half, even on gaming laptops. Also, switch Windows Power Mode to high performance. Now, this is a big one. Gaming laptops often default LD Player to integrated graphics. Go into your graphics settings and force LD Player to use the dedicated GPU instead. Next, open LD Player and click the gear icon on the right to open settings. Go to the Advanced or Performance tab, set CPU cores to 4. Gaming laptops usually handle this well. For RAM, set 6 to 8 gigabytes depending on your system. This helps stabilize FPS during gameplay. Now switch graphics rendering mode to DirectX. Dedicated GPUs almost always perform better with DirectX on LD Player. After switching, restart the emulator. Set resolution to 720p or 900p. You don't need full HD inside the emulator. For DPI, 240 or 280 gives a good balance between clarity and FPS. Turn off anti-aliasing, high-quality rendering, and extra visual effects. Your GPU should focus on frames, not cosmetic details. That's where FPS really comes from. Set the frame rate limit to 60 or 90 FPS. Higher frame rate reduces stutter and makes gameplay feel smoother on gaming laptops. And that's it. With these tweaks, LD Player should run at much higher FPS on your gaming laptop. If this helped, save it, and yeah, check out the other LD Player performance guides on the channel. See you next time.